Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. A project manager leads a software development project in a hybrid environment. During project planning, the project manager identified a risk where a technical resource for a critical path item may not be available when needed. 1 week before the resource is needed, the technical engineer had a personal emergency and had to take a leave. What should the project manager do next? Option A. Consult the risk register for an appropriate planned risk response and implement. Option B. Revise the project management plan and move the task to a time when the technical resource will be available. Option C. Review the business requirement with stakeholders and exclude the task assigned to the technical resource. Option D. Update the lessons learned report and the risk log to reflect that this risk has materialized. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Consult the risk register for an appropriate planned risk response and implement. Question 2. A team has just adopted an agile approach. During daily stand-up meetings, the team expressed concerns about task delays. The project leader worked with the product owner to get clarity on the features. The project leader asked the team to fast-track all product features to ensure delivery. Sprints are being completed but with either fewer features or low quality. What should the project leader have done to ensure success? Option A. Ask the team to create an impediment log and keep it updated for use in the next sprint planning. Option B. Directed teams to possible solutions that help in removing the impediments and contribute to a timely delivery. Option C. Suggested to the team to add impediments as work items in the product backlog to be fixed in the next sprints. Option D. Empowered the team to improve their processes, tools, and interactions to be more effective in delivery and removing impediments. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. Empowered the team to improve their processes, tools, and interactions to be more effective in delivery and removing impediments. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.